Today we're going to make these beautiful pumpkins for the fall season. I got some fabric, I got out some circles, I got out some small ones and some big ones. And these pumpkins are very easy to make. You just get your circle, a needle and some thread. Make sure that you have a lot of thread because you have to go all around with your thread. And then you basically just sew or stitch the sides of the circle. You just sew it on the sides of the circle. Yeah, it doesn't have to be very neat. You just have to stitch it and create almost like a little pouch. So yeah, I just love to make these pumpkins. They're really adorable and they're really easy and fun to make as well. So yeah, when you have a little pouch, you add some stuffing. I like to use some pillow stuffing that I just got out from an old pillow. So yeah, then you just stuff it just how full you like it. And when you stuffed your pumpkin, you we'll stitch it close, so you make sure that the top is all closed up. And as you can see, it already looked like a little pumpkin already. So yeah, you just make sure that you close up the top of the pumpkin. I like to add some flowers and some embellishments on the pumpkin. I got these beautiful little roses. I found them on Etsy. I will link them down below. And yeah, I just love to add some of these to my little pumpkin to make it look extra more pretty. So yeah, you just cut off all the stems. Once I picked out my flowers, I'm going to add some embellishments. I found these beautiful pearl ones with some Swarovski crystals as well, and I think it looks so pretty on these little pumpkins. I just love how it looks already. And I just love the little pearls and the little diamonds. It looks so adorable on this little pumpkin. And once I add the embellishments, I will add the flowers on top. I'm using some textile glue. I found it really easy to work with this textile glue, but you can also use like a glue gun. Then I had this little pearl bracelet that I just got from Primark the other day. And yeah, I just cut it up and I thought it will be so much fun to use these to create a little stem on this little pumpkin. So yeah, again, I just use my textile glue. I just love this glue. It's so strong and it works so well. So yeah, I just add like a couple of pearls to make it look like a little stem. I just love how it looks. It looks so pretty. Such a lovely little tutorial. So yeah, now we're going to make the bigger pumpkin. Again, I'm using some thread and a needle. I cut out some larger circles to make the pumpkin a little bit bigger. And yeah, again, you just stitch the sides of the circle and then you go all around. You just stitch it all around. It doesn't have to be very neat. You just can do it as you like. So yeah, you just go all around so you have a little pouch, and then you fill it with the stuffing. I like to use some stuffing from our old pillows. So yeah, you're just going to stuff it how you like it. You can make it as full as you want, and if you don't want a little big pumpkin, you can add some less stuff in. I also like to go, once I got my pumpkin, I like to go to the bottom and then to the top to create a little pit on the bottom. I really love that little detail. So yeah, once you did that, you're going to close it up with your thread. You just go around to make sure that it's all closed. And again, this doesn't have to be very neat as well. Just make sure that your pumpkin is all closed up. So yeah, and I'm going to add the embellishments and the flowers. I thought it would be smart to start with the stem on this one, with the pearls. And it fell down. Then I'm going to add the flowers. And I'm going to add the embellishments. Using some glue to attach it to the pumpkin. I love this little pearl embellishment, they look so pretty. So yeah, with this pumpkin I found out that the best thing to do is to start with your embellishment, and then later you can add the flowers and the stem. That's much easier. So yeah, I'm adding the embellishments, I'm going to add, then I'm adding the flowers and the little pearls, and I just love how they turn out. They look so beautiful, and they really remind me of Cinderella with the embellishments and the pearls. So this was my video. I hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye!